Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. Sipho Hadebe la ngihamba noDumsani umfoka Mntungu.
Baba.
Ukurenda.
Hayi mnandi Bhungane.
Hey, namhlanje ndoda ayisibona imihlola. Ayisibona imihlola mfethu. Asiqale ngeKaizer Chiefs nePolokwane City mfethu. Kaizer Chiefs failed to reach a top 8. Ubone kanjani mfethu?
I think it was something ukuthi bekumele si-expect sama Kaizer Chiefs fans ukuthi kungayenzeka ukuthi ingayi-reach i-top 8 due to the way Kaizer Chiefs bedlala ngakhona. And nalento leyo ukuthi-ke babuya yabona kwi-Nedbank
Celebration.
So baloku baya-celebrate. So like bekunzima yazi mangibheka igame iPolokwane beyidlala ngathi manje idlalela inkomo serious yabo and bona they got nothing to lose at the end of the day.
All right, so for next season ucabanga ukuthi Chiefs ingayenza better since bangekho ku-top 8, or do you think kuzoba i-disadvantage ukuthi abekho ku-top 8?
No, I think it's an advantage ukuthi abekho ku-top 8 because one thing that was going to happen, iKaizer Chiefs izodlala noMamelodi Sundowns izoshaya Chiefs futhi, and then kufanele ukuthi abayenzanga next. So no matter bezoba njalo unless if iKaizer Chiefs ikora ngamanye ama-offside.
Mfethu. All right, moving on mfethu, iMamelodi Sundowns nePyramids. Yazi ukudlala home, I think la eSouth Africa kuyasihlula mfethu ukuthi sithathe advantage because during i-CAF sibonile nje ukuthi ama-team wethu mawadlala home awayithathe advantage. If ayayithatha kuba ile encane nje kuba slim. So namhlanje ubone kanjani mfethu njengoba sizoya ku-second leg manje?
Pyramids is an unknown team. Like honestly, I kept on saying ukuthi leya team leyana siyazela ku-Betway mawubheja. So they've got nothing to lose mfethu. Yabona mina since ngiloko ngibabheka badlala, I've seen ukuthi they attack as a team, they defend as a team. So chances are iSundowns iza nge-style sabo and they don't want to change their style of play. So like I foresee ukuthi like iSundowns will concede against these people because if Sundowns scores then nabo bazokora. I think into engiyishilo leyo ukuthi chances are ukuthi iSundowns izowina igame yanamhlanje. They were very very slim. They were very slim.
So iSundowns got ukuqala, then Pyramid scored in the last 30 seconds, and sekuba injwayelo lapha ku-CAF last 30 seconds nje sithi ukuthi hayi abantu bawinile, then sibona nje ngegoal. What do you think happened lapha nge-defense yeSundowns? Because if uchecka lela bhola uyabona ukuthi two players zeSundowns banalento ukuthi no i-offside le.
It's a lapse of concentration and singaqala siyibheke, and then also I don't think ukuthi mina iSundowns ina the best defense kahle, but then the way ba contain ibhola ngakhona from emidleleni abomkwena nanani, then that makes it easier for ama defender wabo. But then if uthi uyacheka laphayana iPyramids has always been like this. iPyramids ishaye iPirates yarojwa. Then before, because my first leg, irojiwe like serious, and then nalena like they were all over bafikile laphana because I saw uMayela uzamile, then ukuthi Williams made a lot of saves okumele ngabe like mhlamba angenile also, but it was lapse of concentration na bobo Grant bazitshela ukuthi games ephelile, and then only to find ukuthi a team like Pyramids you cannot write them off.
All right, so going to the second leg, ucabanga Egypt?
It's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. Into yokuqala nje kumele sicheck ukuthi ama-supporters obakhona na. Because the last game we bayidlala bengena ama-supporter, and then now we need to check ukuthi ama-supporters obakhona ukuthi what Al Ahly are going to do. Are they going to support Pyramids or bazo support iSundowns? Because you'll never know.